In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your visibility on Slack discoverable by anyone who has your email. So if you like anyone to discover or find you on Slack using your email, then you need to go ahead and enable your discoverability. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, go to your account profile and then click on your icon here. Then choose preferences. Now under preferences, go ahead and choose privacy and visibility. Now you can see the current status of Slack connectivity discoverability. It is set to no one, which means no one can discover me on Slack. However, I'd like anyone with my email to be able to discover me, so I'll just go ahead and turn this on by choosing the first option. From now henceforth, anyone with my email will be able to discover me on Slack. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.